have 4 short business English stories for you today. 1. In my line of work, you have to be on the ball at all times. I'm a project manager for a tech startup, and things move at breakneck speed. Last week, we were burning the midnight oil to meet a crucial deadline. It was touch and go for a while, but we pulled it off in the end. The client was over the moon with the results, which really gave us a leg up on the competition. 2. I've been climbing the corporate ladder for the past 5 years. It hasn't always been smooth sailing, but I've learned to roll with the punches. My boss is a tough cookie, but she's taught me to think outside the box. Recently, I've been tasked with breaking new ground in our marketing strategies. It's a tall order, but I'm up for the challenge. 3. When I first started my own business, I was really just winging it. I had to learn the ropes pretty quickly to stay afloat. There were times when I thought I'd bitten off more than I could chew, but I refused to throw in the towel. Now, 3 years down the line, we're finally in the black, and things are looking up. It just goes to show, if you stick to your guns, you can weather any storm. 4. In the cutthroat world of sales, you've got to stay ahead of the curve. I'm always keeping my ear to the ground for new trends and opportunities. Last month, I managed to land a big fish client that we'd been chasing for ages. It was a real feather in my cap, and it's opened a lot of doors for us. Now we're pulling out all the stops to ensure we deliver top-notch service.